Welcome to our channel. Today I am going to tell you about how to add custom fonts in tab layout tabs.
Let's start by creating a new project.
Let's start by adding dependencies to our Gradle project. Go to activity_main.xml file to design tab layout. It's a shortcut to add dependencies without going to Gradle. Go to activity_main.xml file to design tab layout. Go to the Design tab to change the font. Go to the Font Family attribute and select your favorite font. Go to Styles.xml to change the font of the tabs. Keep the parent equals tabtextappearance.design.tab. Here you can add the attributes like text size, font family, and many more. Using add-on tab selected listener to interact with the tabs. If the position of the tab is 0, then change the text to tab 1 selected. Else, change the text to tab 2 selected. Looks everything is good to go.
Taking second chances till we bleed.
Let's run the app.
Please like, share and subscribe our channel.